What you're looking at here is a valve cover off a 2002 Ford pickup truck, 4.6 engine, but we're actually going to show you what this is. It's actually a cover that covers up your valve train components in your engine. And what was happening on this one, it was leaking, and so what we're doing is we're taking off the old gaskets, which I can show you right here, and we're going to replace them with these new, the blue ones on there, and this should keep this engine from leaking oil. And what I'm going to do is show you real quick where these go. If I can get right in there. Down in there, this is actually what you're looking at is a camshaft on the top of an engine, and this is where that valve cover goes on, and that blue gasket will seal it up. I'll kind of get in there a little quick for you. But anyway, that's a valve cover gasket, and the typical reason why we replace these is they leak oil over time, and then they start making a mess, and you can smell burning oil as you're driving. So that's a valve cover gasket replacement. This is on a V8 engine, and it sits in here long ways, but we can have cars in here that are V6s. They can sit in here sideways, and the front valve cover can be really easy to get to. The back one can be very difficult to get to. So they're all different configurations, but most engines, if not all engines, have valve covers and gaskets on them that eventually will leak.